Hello. In this question, we have to find the Laplace transform of the given function ft, that is e to the power minus at cos of omega t ut. Now we have to find the Laplace transform of this function. This is very easy question, and we will find the solution of this question is very easy. Now we have to go for solution. Now we know that the Laplace transform property, because it is mentioned in the question that if you mention the property that you use to solve the question, then you will get full credit. So we have to mention the property that we used in the solution of this question. So now we know that the Laplace transform of e to the power minus at ft is equal to the x of s plus a. Now this is similar to the given function because the xt is e to the power minus at and something function. So this is the property that we mentioned here is matching with our function. And we know that the Laplace transform of the cos omega t function is s upon s square plus omega square. So by combining both the properties, the Laplace transform of the e to the power minus at cos of omega t ut is equal to s plus a upon s plus a whole square plus omega square. Hence, we solve this question carefully, and this is the final answer. Thank you.